Why are you trying to cry? Hmm? Hello, Grayson. Grayson. Hi. Hi, Tinky Tinky Man. Mr. Man. Mr. Man. How you doing? Say good morning, everybody. Say good morning. You gonna stick your tongue out at him, huh? Hmm? Think that's funny? Hmm? You think that's funny? So I just want to wish each and everybody a blessed day. Yeah. Tell them. You gonna say it? No? Just gonna stick your tongue out, huh? Say okay. Say bye-bye.